Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well with you. Welcome back, welcome back. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, I'm back today, guys, with TextBot AI. Okay, this is an awesome little system, okay, a software, a texting software that actually help you generate leads, mobile numbers, and it will also help you with emails. Okay, so the system is going to help you as a lead generator. Your job is just to share your number that's assigned, your TextBot number. Okay, it has nothing to do with your actual cell phone. You're going to be assigned a number. Okay, we all have our own particular phone number for TextBot, and you have your virtual assistant, Ava, your automated virtual assistant that's going to help you with this whole prospecting, okay? So that way you're not really talking to people. Ava is asking the questions for you, okay? So it's a great way to automate everything, okay? And generate leads for your TextBot business as well as your primary business, okay? That's what this system allows you to do, because you're going to be able to put your primary link. If you have another business out there, you're going to be able to put that link inside of the back office, and Ava's going to promote to your prospects TextBot and your secondary business, okay, your primary business. So great little system. It's only $150 plus $10 for your credit. So for $160, you got a business in a box, and it's artificial intelligence, okay? Cell phones, text messaging. We all know we answer our text messages quicker than we do anything. And we all have our cell phones with us at all times, pretty much, okay? So this system is awesome. I'm super excited about the new changes that they're going to be making with it. The funnel is going to be revamped, relaunched. Everything is going to be new and fresh here shortly. I think next week they're going to be making an announcement on all that. But a great way to make $100 over and over, and $500 commissions as well, okay? With that new funnel, it's going to entice people from the beginning, so that way they kind of have an idea of this opportunity up front. Right now it's in the back office, so a lot of times people don't even know about the $500 opportunity till they've signed up with the 100, and it's in the back office. So it's going to be some great things coming ahead, so stay tuned for that. But that's what I want to talk to you about, because we're going to go over the email that the CEO put out, and he sent it to all the members. So these are the new updates that's going to be happening, so you definitely want to stay tuned, get yourself positioned in the TextBot system to receive these $500 commissions that's going to be coming your way, okay? So let's go over, we're going to go through the email, talk about it, and we're going to go in the back office and talk about some things. So let's go check it out. Okay, we're in the back office, and this is where the magic happens, guys. I'm super excited. I wanted to bring you back here so that I can show you guys that I have actually upgraded to Ava Plus. Okay, as you can see right here, Ava Plus member. Okay, so I'm positioned and ready to receive these $500 commissions, okay, as they're going to be coming down the pipe. I am stoked, okay, because I know that new funnel that they're going to create is going to be very high converting, as well as everybody. Let me explain this to you. Everybody that's at the Ava Basic, okay, everybody's at the Ava Basic, understand, as you're promoting Ava, as you're promoting TextBot, okay, once they do that new funnel, it's going to bring more attention to that $500 Ava Plus product, okay? So if you're not positioned, those sales, those $500 commissions are going to roll up to the next person in line, okay? So I just wanted you guys to know that's very important. I know you're out here promoting TextBot. So you don't want to lose those $500 commissions. So I am positioned. Let me move this over so you can see right here. And then you can see right here, broadcast. Okay. This was not unlocked prior to this plus. See, my TextBot and broadcast. Now, it allows you to be able to text. I love the texting broadcast feature. You're going to be able to text to your leads. All those phone numbers that have been added to your back office, for everybody that's dialed your number, they're a lead. They are a lead. And if they've given permission for Ava to text them, you have that permission now. So with that Ava Plus, you're going to be able to do that. Okay, see this broadcaster? I actually set one up. So we'll see how that goes. I'm testing it out, you know. I was super excited to go ahead and get it started, just to test it, to play around with it, to see how it works. And that's what I'll be doing. But guys, position yourself to receive those $500 commissions. Critical. That's a lot of money you're going to leave on the table. You're going to have the $100 commissions and the $500 commissions, guys. Okay. Let me show you that email that the CEO sent out and the announcements that's going to be coming. Okay, here's the email that was sent out. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to show you, because there's a lot of stuff in here. I just want to show you the new updates. So, this is exciting. Let's see here. Hang on, I'm going to show you something. Let's see. Okay, they've opened up a corporate office. Okay, he talked about that. 3,000 square feet office out in Utah. So that's awesome. People are going to be able to go out there and actually meet him, etc. But here is the announcement. They've got some TextBot merchandise. They got a store. You're going to be able to buy you some TextBot merchandise, hats, shirts, etc. Okay, so let's get to the nitty gritty here. The price of Ava Plus. Okay, the price of Ava Plus, you know, it's $500 right now. They're stating that price is going to be bumped up. They're going to give more updates on it next week on, you know, when it's actually going to happen. But that price of Ava Plus is at $500. It's going to go to $750, guys. Okay, it's going to go to $750. So that's a $250, as he states, pay raise for some of us. Because if you do not get it at the time, whatever the time period is going to be, we'll find out next week, it goes to $750. So instead of us receiving $500 commissions, we're going to receive $750. So that's an extra $250. Okay, so you definitely want to take advantage of this. They'll be giving out that information next week on that. All right, so they're going to also include up front, as I stated earlier, in the new funnel. They're going to have a one-time offer when people actually get ready to sign up. They're going to give them a one-time offer, like a time period of 24 to 48 hours to upgrade to Ava Plus, all for $500 instead of $600. Okay, so that's going to be very enticing. So again, you want to position, I can't say it enough, you want to position yourself to receive those $500 commissions. Okay, so that price will go up. Ava Plus will go up to $750. So get this program, you know, as soon as you can get in. Okay, they're going to give us a time frame next week. Okay, so they're going to have that in a new funnel. And any issues that he said hasn't been resolved, they're going to make sure all that is set up by the time this new funnel comes out. Okay, now this was pretty cool. As of February, and it's probably gone up since this update, because I believe this email came out Thursday, February 2021. They've paid out over $30,000 in commissions already. And we're only 2 months in year of 2021. As of and then they paid out an overall of $127,000. Okay, so Ava TextBot is kicking butt right now, and I can't see it doing anything but getting better and better. Okay, that's what's happening here. So this is a very exciting times right now. Position yourself if you're serious about making money online. If you're serious about TextBot, you're already a member at the $100 level, the basic. Go ahead and upgrade. It's going to be worth it. As I stated, you're going to lose those commissions. They're going to roll up. So if you're going to promote TextBot, it's going to be effortlessly that those $500 commissions are going to come to you without you having to push it. Because once they go through that new funnel, it's going to do all the selling and telling for you. And it's going to entice people to upgrade anyway. So just be positioned for that. Okay. So just want to show you guys that. Exciting. I'm super excited about the Ava Plus. As I said, I'm rocking and rolling with it. I just set it up. So we're going to be testing these text messages that I have. And what I'm going to do, let me check my notes here so I don't forget anything. I want to, for all the Ava Plus folks, okay, because you're going to get what I already give for the basic. But for my Ava Plus folks, I'm going to pay for one solo ad to 200 visitors, okay, to go to your site. I'm going to recommend you get a capture page though, okay, because we want to capture the emails of these folks, okay. So I'm going to pay for 200 visitors to your site. You're going to get 100 plus headlines, okay, and 23 ads. Now, why is that important? If you're going to upgrade to Ava Plus, remember, you're going to be able to broadcast to these people. And most people have no idea, well, what should I text them? I don't know what to say to people. I have that. I have 100 plus ads, headlines that I can share with you, and 23 ads that you can use to send in your text messages. Okay. So get started, get plugged in, get Ava Plus today. It's going to be worth it. Think about it. One sale, you've gotten your money back pretty much. Okay, because your first sale, just like with the $100 level, the basic, your very first sale, let's say you're $100, you keep. The second sale passes up. That second $100 sale passes up. It's the same for the Ava Plus. The first $500 sale with Ava Plus, you keep that, so you just got your money back. The second Ava Plus passes up, okay, to your sponsor, and then the rest of the sales are yours pretty much. So everybody that joins you have to do the same thing. The system is going to do it automatically, so you don't have to worry about, well, how do I send the sales up? You don't need to worry about that. The system will do it for you. It's going to guide everyone in the direction they should go. Okay, so again, get excited, get in TextBot. If you're not in it, this is the time, okay? With all the new changes, it's like a whole new relaunch, okay? And they're going to have a lot of training in here included in your back office going forward with all these new funnels that they're going to have, okay? So this is the time to get started with TextBot. Very exciting times, and it's a simple system. It's nothing complicated. Just share your number, okay? So I'm here for you. Answer any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell, okay? So you can be notified when I upload new videos. But I put in the description my link, or call my number 845-253-6408 to go ahead and get TextBot today, guys. It's well worth it. Let me tell you, I wouldn't have upgraded if it wasn't, okay? I would not have. So look forward to working with you with this system. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.